In the last problem here, we have to do tracing for the two functions, something 1 and something 2. And observe here, something 1 is printing first, then doing the recursive call. However, something 2 is doing the recursive call first and printing. This is very similar to the triangle example that we did before. In this example, we did one triangle flipped, like 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 stars, and the other one was in the normal order. So the recursive idea here is very similar. You just need to guess what's going to be printed. For a number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are actually printing its last digit first. Then we are recursing, but with removing the digit. So the 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5 will print the 5, then recurse with 1, 2, 3, 4. Then print the 4 and recurse with 1, 2, 3 only. And then print 3 and recurse with 1, 2, and so on. So you'll observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is printed in an opposite direction. On the other side, the function that something 2 is going to print first, going to recurse first, and eventually it's going to print. So what's going to be printed first? The last item is going to be printed first. So what's going to happen is this number will be passed once you remove the 5, then the 4, then the 3, then the 2, then the 1. And when it comes to the 1, we are going to recurse with 0, which we will not get here. And after that, we are going to print the 1, then the 2, then the 3, then the 4, then the 5, exactly similar to the triangle example. If this is confusing for you, try to put breakpoints. At the moment, you should understand what really the function is going to do. This function will print the number forward. This function is going to print backward. This one will print it forward. So if I would like to understand this recursion code in terms of what and how, what does this one do? Print the number in a forward way. So what is n divided by 10? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I expect from this function? To print 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, I'm doing what? I'm printing the 5. This way, focus on what, not how. You got it very directly.